Okay, so I'm gonna log in and sell some stuff here. Just peel off some profits. I often do, like in TradingView, I can use this prediction from the opening range. Where is it? Okay, let me show on this one. So maybe this is Swedish one, let me see. Okay, yeah, so we have the opening range here, and then it projects half and 100% move from the opening range on the 30-minute. So sometimes I sell there, or I double that, so this is, yeah, double that. Sometimes I go down in time frame as well. Anyhow, let me move that. But you can also do that with just a fib projection, just using it as another tool, and then I just do 1, 2, 3, and 4x. Usually I sell on 2 or 3, and 2 will be 100% of the initial move, and 3 will be 200%, so 2x. And often, like for example, an earnings thing. What did we have on earnings day? That moved, yeah, this one for example. So we would just project. Oh, let me see the time, so I have time to do this. I also have to sell. So we would, here we are 3x, so that's, well, that's 300%, so that's 2x, right? And we would sell some here. I didn't buy this one, but that's the idea. On the sketchboard, I don't have to delete things. So now let's go, anything that moved like a lot. I'm going to peel off something. Unless like we have fresh news, which we do have. So like day one, we can hold longer. So I'm just going to peel off a small amount on the biggest ones or the weakest ones. So for example, here, I'm for sure going to peel off some of that because that's a huge win. Yeah, that's a 30% win, almost today, in one day. Let me see. So I'm gonna sell half because that one has such huge leverage. I think I'm at 20x or something on that one. And yeah, so let's see what else. So I'm gonna mark that to this board so I can see it. Because wait, I don't have time to do this. Okay, let's see what else. This one is fine. This one I think can continue. Well, just for sake of it, where do I have it? Oh yeah, it's in another account. So I'm gonna sell maybe like so I'm selling 1/5 here. Let me just mark it here. I'll fix it later. Somewhere around here. Let's continue. This one, 1, 2, 3. I really like the earnings. 625 rev growth, if I saw that correctly. Yeah, I'm not going to peel much of that one. It is selling off each day. So it goes up after the open, and then it sells off. This one I think it was going to move on after tonight or on Friday, once the offer is cleared, or not cleared, but clarified. This one, I think this is fine. This is fine. This one's a bit weak, but I mean, it's had a huge move. Maybe setting up again, actually. It's not, I mean, it's high up, but it's not too high up in this market. Actually, this I could do later. This is a buy alert. Actually, it should be higher. New one. Where are the alerts? I'll fix that later. This one, oh, what happened? Now everything was locked, froze. This one starting to work itself up to the right side. That's fine. This one, I think I sold a bit too early, but I just wanted to sell something. I bought more here. Or maybe that's where I bought it. I messed that up. This one actually looks like he wants to break out. This one as well. Let's look at these. Where's the break? Let's say the main one is here. The gap up above this area. I think that was all-time high. And do something like this. Now the color. I think it's an EP, but EP-like, but the float is too high, and it's not an EP because the cap is way too high. But it has a news, so like it's a 9 million, whatever Stockbee calls it. Battlefield news. Beta 2, I think, is in the weekend, and then release later on. I think it's gonna continue until October. I'll sell some here. It's the normal projection. Actually, a bit earlier, maybe 183 area. Did I sell anything yet? Let me check. What time is it? Okay, now I can't sell him. Oh, it's a good thing I sold this one. So I should have sold some ETH. But time is past now. Sometimes that one is open. It is. Okay. Let's see. I mean, it's huge news on that one today. Let's just sell some. Sold 1/4 here. What else? Baba, new position around here. Can probably. Oh, still. No, I looked at the ETH again. Can I sell it? No, it's closed. Let me see if I have anything open. Closed. Ah, Baba is open. I'm not gonna sell it. Okay, now go to common stocks. I thought I sold Palantir. Oh, I did, yeah, good. Check again. I need to mark this later. Let me make an average. What time is it? I'll do this later. It's good enough to have the higher one. 1 minute, a bit less than 1 minute. Great, this looks good. This looks good. Even stronger. Okay, and then we have some time over to check if we have anything going crazy. Oh yeah, Rumble. I'm looking for, oh no, closed. I was looking for if they were buying something into the close. And I use this screener for that. It just picks up the last 15 minutes, I think. You see they bought USR. This one all day or midday, not all day. this one all day, this one all day, and even more here. I think it has some crypto thing, not sure. So anything in here is possible. Strong close. There's a lot of them. That's good. The whole market. Oh, this is nice. Really clean setup. ABC or 1, 2, 3. 1, pause, go. Not many trade this, but it's a very efficient setup. This is not the same, but if you look at weekly, no. If you would go between that, like 2 day, it's similar. Oh, that's nice. I like when there's a box where they try to shake you out. And you do the box in the latter part, and you want 3 waves usually. And the second is the fake out. So first, second fake out, and then I like to buy as it undercuts this trend line after the, not fake out, yeah, fake out and fade. Second day, and then third day you can buy it here. You can buy it if it holds here on moving averages. You can buy it here, like you can buy it here, or you can buy it here. And if it gaps up, it's even better. And if the volume is strong, which it is, it's even better. So if you go to the, see, this is quite a lot of volume on this one. And the follow-up, then it pulls back. You can buy it here. It's even better, like a Fisher kind of setup. I do 620, like Morales. So 620 EMA on the 5. Shows strength. It's gapping up, continuing, fading because they take profit. So if you would do something similar like what I did over there. So we do just a projection to get the X. So this is 4X around here from this move. So maybe we can actually take it all the way up to not only the first candle, but like this part. So that's the gap, kind of. Well, actually, the gap is from here. But anyhow, we measure that move. It's not like pre-market moves need a lot of volume to be relevant. So this is not really correct. But if we would do that, then it's 2x here, right, of this move. And then it's going to be faded because people like me take profit there, short-term traders. And then you can buy here. As it holds here on this very same level. Doesn't need to be that level, just make it simpler when it comes out of the Fisher here, 620. It's like J lines. Actually, J lines would be, oh God, this is busy. Let me open this up more. So, do I have a clean or J lines only? Oh yeah, let's do the 1 minute. That's really busy, but here are the J lines solitary. So it comes back down, it goes up above these. So in TC2000 you can't have bands. So I created bands with the J lines. That's the name. The J line indicator is in the trading view. you can recreate it. It can differ on all time frames, but on the 1 minute it's 72 and 89, the lower one, and the higher one is 216 and let me show 267, and that you can recalculate for 5 minutes. So you just divide it, and then it's also going to be 53, which is a really important one. It's 10 on the 30 minute. It's important in intraday. You want that to hold. It's very light here because for me that's not the most important in this one. Let me show you here maybe. So it's a bit thicker here. I want that to hold. This looks really messy because it is, but you want the 50 to hold. You see here I recalculated it for the 5 minutes, so then it's 14 and 22, right? Oh, 43, wait, and 18, and 43 and 53, I think. Yeah, and 53 is the important one you want to hold in the intraday. It's the 10 on the 30. So if we go over to 30, oh, this is really messy. Let me do like this. So on the 30, I have 10, or actually 9, 20, 50, and 65. And 65 is SMA because it's daily 5. So the 9 is very similar to the 53 on the 5. And you want that one to hold. And the 20 is double that. So it's right around 100. Oh, it is 100. And what else? Yeah, for a longer, like 50 is my longer term. Sometimes I use that for last peel in really fast stocks. And sometimes I use close below 65, which is the 5 SMA on the daily. And yeah, I don't know. This one's crazy. It held pretty well. Held up. See, it didn't even come down to the 9. Here we go to the 5. See? So we can do the same. So the projection doesn't work here. I think the news popped here. And it's so fast. I'm going to go down to 2. And then I'm going to do a projection here. Let me do it all the way to here, and then let's move this down there. So we wanted, they want to sell here at 2x, that's 1x, 100% of this move. So they will fade there, either there or 2, and then we can rebuy here. I think this is a better place to buy than here, even though this would get you a lower price, because it's still like doing a lot of shit in here. Of course you can also do something like this, but we're on the 2 minute here. So we can move up once that is done. So yeah, you can buy here, you can buy there, or even cleaner, just buy down here. And then you actually want this part to hold, more or less like this area. So you could actually just do something like this. You want this kind of to hold. I don't do that normally, but yeah, I just wanted to show that it's an area. Like you want like the stair steps to hold. So each stair step up. Wait, what happened? You kind of want each one to hold, right? You get the point. And then this one. And then if you buy something like this, you're going to sell it at before 30 minutes, or if it comes below the 20 on the 5. And sell 30 minutes or 1 hour before the close, maybe. Or just wait for a weakness. You see here it's testing the 53, and that's kind of choppy. So that's why I prefer actually to buy it over here rather than here. But you can of course buy it here. I mean, I think I would probably buy it here. But I noticed this one is much cleaner and calmer to buy. Yeah, we're up a lot, but we also gave back some here, right? Because the range is ridiculous. That's 11%, right? So it's coming back, testing this area here, holding, and then once, twice, and this one's a higher low. And you can just buy the shit out of this one. Here, or just here if you want to be safer. So that's pretty much it. And then you can buy this, sell some in extensions if you want. But I wouldn't like, I would try to hold this, and if it has this volume, that news, just hold it and let sell into weakness or end of day. So maybe like you can hold, this is crazy, but you can hold like maybe a 10th or 5th or whatever overnight. So I hope this was scratch disk. It was, yeah, good. It's gonna be deleted. That's pretty much it. And oh, this one I had in my, oh God. Okay, let me update that news. I saw that in the earnings, but I'm like, it's not so good. It's like it's good, but I guess it was. I don't find it now. Oh, there it is. Oh, they had news as well. I missed that. Actually, I did several news. Let me see what else. Oh, that's the same. Leadership changes. Oh, turnarounds. Ooh, what happened? Investing.com ads. God damn. I need to close that. This froze. Okay, that's a good stop of the stream. I don't know. This was a bit all over, but things I do end of day. Mainly sell weak positions normally, but a day like today, it can be also selling into strength or peeling off.